Alright. Got the knot tied in the end of here, and let's run this around here and see if it'll possibly work. I don't know. We're going to find out together here, I think. Okay, I kind of preset the carburetor, 3/4 of a turn on the mixture, and then my lean and rich 6 to 7 if I remember right. Let's turn some fuel on. I did put some in. See if we got a vent here. Take her over to start, and let's see what happened. I'll choke it maybe just a hair. Let me move you over here. Might be able to see a little bit better. Okay. Let's give her another pull through it. I don't know. Maybe I'll choke it. Make that for me. So, I live pretty decent. I had a little tiny leak there, water leak around the head. I'll have to take a look at that, but we're gonna let her run for a while here. Not too bad for a first couple pulls, I guess. we're running synthetic in it here, and I'm not sure, but I think these motors are about a 16 to 1, and that's with the old 30 weight oil, so that's pretty old technology. So I'm running 32 to 1 with the Royal Purple synthetic 2-stroke in it, so I think that should be sufficient. So let's see if we can get this thing to start again. I think it might be running out. I didn't put very much fuel in it, so I think she's probably... Oh yeah, she's running out of fuel. Huh. Let me mix up a little bit more and we'll put some more in there, but it's out of fuel.